Adobe InDesign offers a lot of ways to format text in your documents. In this project, you'll apply basic formatting options like font, size, and color to text in this design using the Control Panel and Character Panel. In order to follow along, open a file you have or this practice file from the downloadable practice files for this tutorial. So you can see the entire page, choose View, Fit Page in Window. The text on this business card needs some formatting changes, maybe a different font applied to make this text smaller to fit in the text frame. You can actually see a red plus down here, which means not all of the text fits in the frame, and a few more changes. To apply formatting like font and size, you'll select text with the Type tool to start. Select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left and click in the text Studio Iconic. Choose Edit, select All to select all of the text in that text frame. Text formatting can be found in the Control panel above the document, including font family, font size, and more. But you can also find the same formatting and even a little bit more in the Character panel found in the Type menu here. To start with, you'll use the Control panel. On the left end of the Control panel above the document, click the A or the Character Formatting controls if it's not already selected to see the character formatting. Character formatting includes things like font, font style, font size, leading, and more. To change the font size for the selected text, choose 8 from the font size menu. Now you'll apply formatting to just the Studio Iconic text. Move the pointer to the right side of the text, click and drag to the left to select it. To make the text all capitals, we could have typed it in that way, but you can also click the All Caps button to the right of the font size in the Control panel above the document. These options include formatting like underline, strike through, and more. Select the Selection tool in the Tools panel on the left, and click to select the text frame on the right over here. If all of the text in a text frame needs the same formatting applied, you can simply select the text frame with the Selection tool and apply the formatting. Choose Type, Character to open the Character panel. This is the same formatting you saw in the Control panel with text selected, but since the frame is selected, not the text, you may not see text formatting options in the Control panel. To change the font size, choose 8 from the Font Size menu in the Character panel. Now you'll change the default font of Minion Pro for this text. In the Character panel, click the Font Family menu. While you can choose from the list of fonts available on your machine, you'll search for and add a font from the thousands available in Adobe Typekit. Click Add Fonts from Typekit in the Font Family menu. The Typekit website opens in your default web browser. Once the Typekit website opens, you can click the Show Filters button if you need, so you can sort the fonts based on properties like serif and sans serif. You can then explore the different fonts available to find the right one. Your available list of fonts might look different than what you see here, depending on the type of Creative Cloud membership you have and which fonts you've already installed. And keep in mind that Adobe Typekit is always adding more fonts for its members. To search for a font, come to the search field at the top of the page and type Railway. Hover the pointer over the font in the list and click to select it. You can then click Sync for a font style like Regular. Syncing a font makes it available on your computer and also available to all of your other Creative Cloud apps. Find Railway Regular in the list here and click Sync to the right to be able to use the font. Once you have your chosen font or font synced, back in InDesign, click the Font Family menu in the Character panel. You can filter by Typekit in the Font Family menu to see your newly installed fonts by clicking this button, and then click to apply Railway. You can click the X at the top of the panel to close it. InDesign offers a lot of powerful text formatting options, from formatting heading type to fine-tuning the appearance of body copy in a book. You can now start to format your own text to match your design needs. Save a copy of this file by choosing File, Save As, and make sure to name it something different. That way you don't overwrite the original practice file.